Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workspace so color filters behave predictably. Open Procreate, create or open your canvas, and import your artwork. Once done, add a new layer above the image and choose a blend mode. Overlay or color works well for tinting, multiply for darker tones. Make sure the base layer is rasterized and locked if you don't want accidental edits. This first step sets the how and why. Blend modes control interaction, so layer order matters for predictable color filtering. Now you apply and refine the filter so the result feels intentional. Fill the top layer with the color you want or paint selectively with brushes. Then reduce the layer opacity to between 10 and 60% depending on subtlety. Lower opacity preserves detail. Make sure to apply Gaussian blur for soft gradients or use adjustments hue, saturation, brightness to shift tone. If you need precise contrast, open curves. This is why non-destructive layers are key. You can tweak without losing the original. Finish by organizing and protecting your color work so edits stay reversible. Group any filter layers and set the group blend mode if combining multiple tints. That keeps effects consistent. Use a layer mask on the filter to remove or reveal areas with a soft brush and flatten only when you're certain. If colors appear wrong, check the color profile and confirm the filter layer isn't underneath an opaque layer. This common issue causes filters to disappear. If needed, undo and reapply with corrected ordering.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.